Hello viewers, my name is Father Reginald Tarimo, the Assistant Priest at St. Mary's and Benedict Roman Catholic Church in Coventry. Allow me to introduce to you the hymn, I come to you once more, my God, no longer will I roam. This hymn invites us to focus on the themes of repentance, returning to God, and finding a spiritual rest. I find myself that these words are good, especially in this time of Lent, for us to reflect and sing with our choir. I welcome you to join us and to join the choir to pray and reflect in these beautiful words of this song. You are most welcome, and may God bless you.